Right now I want to show you what's included with the RAM-B-149 motorcycle U-bolt mounting system. What you get is a diamond plate here, which is designed to connect to the back of a RAM cradle. So you get this piece here, which is a RAM-B-238, and it's a marine grade aluminum plate with solid 1-inch ball. You get a 3-inch arm, which is 3 inches from ball center to ball center, or socket center to socket center. Marine grade aluminum arm, and this part number is RAM-B-201. And you also get this kit of parts here, which makes up the RAM-B-231. And what you get is a solid rubber 1-inch ball, which clamps around a rail, plus the mounting hardware for that. So what you get is a stainless steel. The RAM-B-149 includes a stainless steel U-bolt, stainless steel nuts, and the U-bolt caps. So what happens is this simply goes through this aluminum base here, like so, and then obviously you put the U-bolt, the nuts on the end, and then as they're clamped down, the exposed ends just get the cap on the top, just to make sure there's no rough edges and give it a nice clean finish. So they're the parts that make up the RAM-B-149.